Yo, what's up YouTube? So I'm bringing you guys another video, and today's going to be unboxing on the new Air Jordan 5 Fire Reds. So I was able to hit 2 different sneakers on the sneakers app in order to get 2 pairs of the Fire Red 5's 2020. Let's get to it. So here we got the box. It's a pretty nice box, honestly. Not too bad. Came with a little scuff right there. You can see it. It's pretty cool. It has a little cardboard thing right there for the Jordan tone. Yeah, so these actually do a little bit of factory flaws in it. Overall, not a bad shoe. I ended up getting another pair, but that's in the box, no point in taking it out.